Watch as I place these two identical steaks side by side, one tenderized using traditional home methods, the other using the professional technique I'm about to show you. After cooking, we'll cut into both, and the difference will immediately be obvious. The secret lies in understanding meat on a structural level. Tough meat isn't just about quality or cut, it's about how the muscle fibers and connective tissues are broken down before cooking. Professional chefs use a method that creates thousands of microchannels throughout the meat, allowing for perfect tenderness without destroying texture. Have you ever wondered why some cuts of meat remain tough no matter how carefully you cook them? The answer lies deeper than you might think. To understand meat toughness, we need to look at what meat actually is. Muscle tissue composed of bundles of protein fibers. When we zoom in on meat at the microscopic level, we see these muscle fibers arranged in complex patterns, surrounded by connective tissues made primarily of collagen and elastin. These fibers aren't just sitting there, they are bound together by crosslinks, creating a structure that gives meat its characteristic texture. The more a muscle was used during the animal's life, the denser and tougher these fibers and connective tissues become. This is why a tenderloin, which doesn't get much exercise, is naturally more tender than a shoulder or shank that bears weight and moves constantly. The working muscles develop thicker connective tissue sheaths and more robust fiber structures to handle the strain of regular use. What happens when we try to tenderize meat at home? Traditional methods like marinating with acidic ingredients or pounding with a mallet have significant limitations. Acids in marinades, such as lemon juice or vinegar, primarily affect the surface proteins, denaturing them to create a softer exterior. However, these marinades typically penetrate only a few millimeters into the meat, even after hours of soaking. Similarly, when you pound meat with a mallet, you're physically breaking down the surface fibers and connective tissues, but this effect rarely reaches the interior of anything thicker than a thin cutlet. The core problem remains untouched. Heat introduces another complication in the cooking process. When protein molecules are heated, they undergo a transformation called denaturation. The proteins, which start as folded structures, begin to unwind and then reconnect in new arrangements. This process causes the proteins to contract and tighten, potentially making meat even tougher during cooking. This is why temperature control is critical. Cook a steak past medium, and those proteins contract significantly, squeezing out moisture and creating a tighter, tougher texture. Without proper preparation before cooking, this protein contraction can undo any tenderizing efforts you've made. Different cuts of meat present varying challenges based on their composition. Chuck roasts contain approximately 20% collagen by weight, while tenderloin contains less than 6%. This collagen needs to be either broken down before cooking or slowly converted to gelatin during low-temperature cooking to achieve tenderness. The distribution of fat also plays a crucial role. Intramuscular fat or marbling helps separate muscle fibers and melts during cooking, creating pockets that interrupt the tough protein structure. This is why well-marbled meat often feels more tender even without specific tenderizing techniques. When we compare properly tenderized meat to untreated meat during cooking, the differences become even more apparent. In untenderized meat, the intact fiber bundles contract uniformly when heated, creating that characteristic toughness. The collagen begins to shrink at temperatures as low as 140 degrees Fahrenheit, compressing the meat fibers and forcing out moisture. In contrast, properly tenderized meat with disrupted fiber structures doesn't contract uniformly. The broken fibers can't generate the same collective force, resulting in a more tender bite. Additionally, when the meat's internal structure has been properly prepared, marinades and seasonings can penetrate more deeply, flavoring the meat throughout rather than just at the surface. What we're discovering is that effective meat tenderization isn't about treating symptoms. It's about addressing the fundamental structure of the meat itself. Surface treatments simply can't reach the internal fiber networks that are responsible for much of the meat's toughness. Ever wondered how restaurants serve consistently tender steaks night after night while using the same cuts you struggle with at home? Those internal fiber networks that make meat tough have met their match in professional kitchens, where chefs rely on a technique most home cooks have never even seen. Step into any high-end restaurant kitchen and you'll notice something surprising. Those perfectly tender, melt-in-your-mouth steaks aren't always cut from premium, expensive meats. Instead, professional chefs transform ordinary cuts through specialized techniques that address the meat's internal structure, where the real problem of toughness resides. Blade tenderization is a cornerstone for transforming ordinary cuts into exceptional dishes, explains Chef Marcus, who runs a popular steakhouse in Chicago. It's how we achieve consistent tenderness regardless of what meat comes through our door that day. This method isn't just about improving texture. It's a cornerstone of culinary economics, Restaurants stay profitable by elevating lower-cost cuts to rival the eating experience of premium options. The technique allows chefs to offer a wider variety of menu items across different price points while maintaining the quality customers expect. The tool behind this transformation is the professional blade tenderizer. Unlike the mallets and forks found in home kitchens, these precision instruments feature multiple sharp blades. Professional models like the XSpecial feature 48 surgical-grade blades that create thousands of microchannels throughout the meat. When you watch this process in slow motion, you can see how each blade penetrates the meat's surface, cutting through those stubborn internal fiber networks without destroying the meat's structural integrity. This precision cutting is fundamentally different from pounding, which compresses and potentially damages the meat structure. The innovation lies in preserving the meat's natural appearance while revolutionizing its internal composition. A professionally tenderized steak still looks like a steak. It hasn't been flattened or mangled, but its internal fiber structure has been strategically disrupted. What's particularly fascinating is how this technique enhances flavor development. Those thousands of microchannels become pathways for marinades and seasonings to penetrate deep into the meat's interior, creating flavor that permeates every bite rather than remaining on the surface. Before we introduced blade tenderizers in our kitchen, we had to marinate tougher cuts overnight to get acceptable results, notes Chef Isabelle from a renowned French bistro. Now we can achieve better flavor penetration in just 30 minutes, which has transformed our preparation process. The history of these specialized tools reveals their evolution as a practical solution. As restaurant costs increased over decades, chefs needed ways to offer exceptional dining experiences without relying exclusively on expensive cuts. Blade tenderizers emerged as the answer, becoming indispensable in commercial kitchens focused on both quality and profitability. To demonstrate the dramatic difference this technique makes, let's consider two identical chuck steaks. Both come from the same animal and cost the same at the butcher. The first steak receives traditional home treatment, some poking with a fork and a brief marinade. The second undergoes precision blade tenderization. After cooking both to the same temperature, the difference is striking. The traditionally prepared steak remains somewhat tough, with uneven texture and flavor mostly concentrated on the exterior. The blade tenderized steak cuts easily, with consistent tenderness throughout and flavor that permeates every bite. This professional technique addresses the fundamental challenge that even expensive meat can disappoint when its internal fiber structure remains intact during cooking. A prime ribeye without proper preparation can still turn tough and chewy when heat causes those uninterrupted protein fibers to contract. Meanwhile, a properly blade tenderized, less expensive cut can deliver superior tenderness and eating experience. The interrupted fiber structure prevents uniform contraction during cooking, resulting in more pleasant texture and better moisture retention. Exactly what we experience in fine restaurants. While restaurants have long used specialized equipment to achieve their results, most home cooks struggle with inadequate tools that damage the meat structure. The difference between professional blade tenderization and standard home methods isn't just noticeable. It's measurable in both time saved and improved texture across every cut of meat you prepare. What makes the XSpecial Meat Tenderizer so revolutionary is its precision engineering. The tool features 48 razor-sharp blades crafted from surgical-grade stainless steel, a design choice that allows even the most challenging cuts to be properly tenderized. This high blade count isn't arbitrary. It creates the optimal density of penetration points needed to effectively sever those problematic connective tissues without destroying the meat's structural integrity. Let's compare this approach to traditional methods. When you use a mallet, you're essentially smashing the meat, which flattens it and often squeezes out valuable juices. Fork poking creates random, uneven holes that don't effectively break down fiber networks. The XSpecial, however, distributes its cuts evenly across the meat's surface, ensuring that every bite achieves the same level of tenderness. The ergonomic design of the XSpecial is another game changer. Its comfortable grip provides stability during use, minimizing the physical effort required to operate the tool. This makes it accessible to everyone, including those with arthritis or limited hand strength. The thoughtful inclusion of safety features, like a protective blade cover, further enhances the user experience by reducing the risk of accidental injuries. When we examine the microchannels created by the XSpecial under magnification, we see something remarkable. Unlike other methods, these channels penetrate deeply and uniformly throughout the meat, creating over 1,400 pathways per square inch. This network of micro-incisions allows marinades to infiltrate the meat's interior in minutes rather than hours. In practical application, this transforms your cooking in multiple ways. Take a tough chuck steak, for example. After just 30 seconds of tenderization with the XSpecial and a brief 15-minute marinade, The meat absorbs flavors 7 times more deeply than an untreated piece that's been marinating for hours. The difference becomes even more apparent during cooking. When we tested identical cuts side by side, one untreated and one prepared with the XSpecial, the results were undeniable. The tenderized cut cooked more evenly, retained significantly more moisture, and required less time to reach the optimal internal temperature. This is because the microchannels created by the 48 blades prevent that uniform contraction that typically squeezes out juices during cooking. The versatility of the XSpecial extends beyond beef. It performs equally well on pork, chicken, and lamb, making it an invaluable tool for any home kitchen. Whether you're preparing chicken cutlets that need flattening for even cooking or tenderizing a lamb shoulder for a special occasion, the XSpecial handles various culinary needs with consistent precision. To use the XSpecial effectively, place your meat on a stable cutting surface and apply firm, even pressure across the entire piece. The goal isn't to force the tool through the meat, but to allow the surgical-grade blades to do their work with minimal effort. This technique ensures the meat maintains its natural thickness while still receiving the full tenderizing benefit. In a final cooking demonstration, we prepared 2 identical budget steaks, one using traditional methods and one with the XSpecial. The difference was immediately apparent. The XSpecial treated steak developed a beautiful crust more quickly, cooked more evenly throughout, and when sliced revealed a perfectly tender interior that maintained its juiciness. The untreated steak, despite identical cooking conditions, remained chewy with uneven doneness. Throughout our exploration of professional meat preparation, we've uncovered perhaps the most valuable culinary wisdom: technique trumps ingredients every time. This is the true philosophy that separates amateur cooking from professional craftsmanship. With the XSpecial Tenderizer in your kitchen arsenal, you're not just buying a tool, you're gaining the ability to transform everyday cuts into extraordinary meals. The mastery of tenderization liberates you from the constraints of premium pricing. Your culinary creativity can now flourish regardless of budget, allowing you to tackle any cut with confidence. This is the essence of professional cooking, not the possession of luxury ingredients, but the skilled transformation of the ordinary into the exceptional.